this together.
Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another vlog. It is Thursday and it's the last day of the week because we don't have school Friday and we leave Friday in the morning. So I'm like tired from yesterday. I have chapel today. Ellie, did you have chapel yesterday?
Yes.
Oh, you did? Did they talk about like Valentine's stuff or no?
No.
No? Oh, that's weird. So I don't really know how today is gonna go. I have a math test that I have to do, and it's like a really hard math test, so I don't know how it's gonna be. But I'm getting ready to get dropped off. Ellie is in her red shirt and her navy blue skirt. So I'm already in line, so I have to get out of the car and go to school. I don't want to because I'm so tired. So anyways, hope you guys have a great day. I'm gonna have a great day. I can feel it because it's the last Thursday. So I'll see you guys outside of school.
We're sitting at the girls' school waiting to pick them up. Are you excited to go out of town?
Oh, not really. I'm not excited to go to the airport, no. Maybe
I didn't get masks.
Maybe if it was this airport, it'd be one thing.
Do I need to get masks?
Yeah. Be alright.
People are still dying. Mark and I went and looked at a couple more houses. I didn't film. Nothing to get excited about.
Nothing to film.
Yeah. So, oh, well, look at hers.
Whoa, Saturn. Saturn on a stick.
Yep. He's an overachiever.
Oh.
No?
She probably drew hers away.
Oh,
Can't do
there's
that.
one.
Hello. Crippled.
There's Gimpy. How's school?
I had to run a mile today in gym class.
Well,
Why?
Cause every quarter, like the quarter's almost up. The 28th is the end of the quarter, whatever. So we always have to run a quarter for a grade.
Oh, we won
a mile for your
at
grade?
Bowder.
Yes.
We ran a
4
mile.
times around the track, and the track is huge. And I died, but I got an A though, cause I ran a mile in 8 minutes and 25 seconds.
It took you that long?
Emma, get this.
You're
every
joking.
day, Emma, every day at PE at Bowder, we had to run a mile.
Person to have the height, like the lowest, yeah.
Lowest? Oh, the lowest, shortest time.
Yeah, the shortest, lowest, yeah, you know what I mean. So, I'm pretty fast.
I'm pretty say you should be able to run it in like 5 minutes.
The first lap around the track was in 1 minute and 25 seconds, so.
Right.
What was your last lap?
Total?
Now, if you ran the first lap in a minute, what was your last lap? 3 minutes?
I walked. Okay, so like the curves, you know, like a track is like a cylinder. I walk the curve and then I run
It's
the
a
like,
cylinder?
you know, like
An oval.
An oval, like a rectangle oval.
Are you guys excited there's no school till Tuesday?
I'm excited.
No, there's school on Monday. There's
We
school
won't
on
be
Monday
here.
now. Mr.
Right, a
Bissett.
hurricane makeup day, but you won't be here.
I'm excited.
Yay!
Seatbelt, Ellie. Alright, we'll see you guys at home.
I'm home from school and I've been cleaning since I've got home. Krista is actually coming this weekend to watch the dogs, so she probably will probably will need to wash herself, and that was weird. Like use the bathroom and stuff. So I cleaned my bathroom, cleaned the toilet, cleaned the countertop, I swept, cleaned the bathtub because it needed to be cleaned. Everything is clean. I have my phone charging. It's acting really stupid right now. Probably about to chuck it away. My room is cleaned. I actually really need to organize my Christmas stuff still. And then I have to hang those 2 shirts up. And then, oh yeah, I got my Polaroid out. I got my thingy out. I haven't set it up. Then these, because I need to take those this weekend. I'm not chasing you. He's so annoying. So, we are getting ready to pack for tomorrow. We leave, I think it said on the calendar like 11:02 or something, around 11-ish. So I get a suitcase to myself, Ellie gets a suitcase to herself, Mark and my mom does as well because we're taking a plane. So I'm packing my cheer stuff because my cheer bag broke, like the zipper broke. My zipper broke and I don't have a cheer bag anymore. So I'm just gonna use my suitcase, you know? I'm so nervous for this weekend, but like it makes me like stress relieved because usually when we get there, I would be competing tomorrow, but I'm not competing till Saturday. So we still have Friday, and we have practice Friday. And then our showcase is tonight, 7:45, and I'm nervous for that because we'll have like an actual audience, I guess. I don't know. We'll see how it goes. So I'm gonna get dressed because like we probably have plans later tonight after we're done packing and stuff. And then I'm gonna start packing and film a video while I pack.
Okay, we're making team bags. This is G's mom. Oh, her name is Becky. Yeah, so we're making team bags. So far we have Dr. Thunder, Valentine chocolate.
That I waited till today to buy for 50 cents a piece.
Oh, did you? Alright, they're done now. They get a stuffed animal, socks, chocolate, soda, and pixie sticks. Cute, cute. Alright, so their bags are done. Here's everybody.
Excited about the weekend, and thank you, appreciate you guys watching. You guys are gonna be there this weekend. Make sure hands up the whole time. Big arenas, they're gonna do lots and lots of support from everyone. So without further ado, welcome to the floor of Dr. Thunder.
Alright guys, so we got home from the cheer performance. Ooh, it's bright in my closet. And we are packing. I am done. Mark is working on it. I have Ellie done. This one has to pack now.
I'm just waiting for the camera.
And I have to pack our bathroom stuff. Emma will end the vlog when she is done packing.
Okay guys, so I just got done filming a video and packing. And I'm getting ready for bed. It's like 11:30, I believe. And we have to wake up really early tomorrow. So I need to get to bed because like I'm tired from practice. I'm tired from school. I'm so happy that we don't have school this week or Monday. And that I'm going back Tuesday. And I got a gift from the coaches, and this is Dr. Thunder. Never had it before. It tastes like Dr. Pepper. It's very like carbonated. I think that's what it's called. I don't know. Don't pay attention. So I have my suitcase packed. I have my cheer stuff packed. So this is what I'm wearing tomorrow with I think shorts or long sleeves. I haven't decided. Then my everyday makeup is out, and then my heat beats. And then I just have to pack my blankets, my phone charger, my Beats are charging, my computer, I have to grab my computer charger, and all that other stuff. So, I'm so tired, I'm so ready for bed, and I'm like cold. It's cold in this house. But, you know what I'm most excited about is I get to sleep with all of these guys. Like, look at all of them. I love stuffed animals. But they kind of fell off my bed because I probably move a lot. So I'm excited for tomorrow. We have to wake up, since it's like all the way in Tampa, the airport is. We have to be like 2 hours early, so 11, 10, 9. So we have to be there at 9, and then it takes about an hour, so that'll be 8. And then if we have to get ready, we'll have to wake up at like at 7:30. Or if we're gonna stop and get breakfast, I say we do. Man, that'd be good. You know what I'm gonna bring? I'm gonna bring my Starbucks gift cards because I have like $125 like for Starbucks, and I don't drink Starbucks. I'm gonna get it at the airport. Ooh, I'm excited. I'm excited. I haven't been on a plane since when we went to Indiana, which was in, I don't remember when we were on a plane. It's been too long then. So I'm gonna get like wash my face, take my hair out, and then like change. No, I'm already in my PJs. So I'm just gonna get ready for bed, and then I guess tomorrow I'm gonna go be on a flight. It's just a good day. But I freaking ran a mile and I died. But I got an A. So now I know I have 1 A. No, I have 2 A's because Bible is pretty easy. And I already know I have an A because like I've never gotten lower than a B. So I have an A in Bible. I have an A in gym. So I have 2 A's out of the 7 classes that I have. Do you get a grade for study hall? I don't think you do. Do you? I don't know. You just have to be quiet and then participate in like these things, you know, and then you get an A. So I think I have good A's. But I took a math test today, and it was actually really easy. I was stuck. Like, I put like circles around the ones that I don't know because I feel like it helps me, like, if I get it wrong, and then if I did it right, you know. Like, see if I was like, oh wait, I did it right. So I think I circled like 4 of them. 4 of them is like a B, or it could be a C, depends on how much they're worth. So there's like, I think like 35 questions, I believe. So that's like 30 through 31. I don't know, I'm just scared. But it was, I blew through it, and I literally turned it in right before the bell rang. And I wasn't the last one, and usually I am. That's why how I'm always, what? So anyways, hope you enjoyed today's video. I'm so tired. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And today's question of the day is, what is your favorite pop? I like root beer, I like strawberry lemonade, I like sweet tea, I like Sprite, I like Coke. I like fruit punch. I love Culver's fruit punch. Oh my gosh, it's so good. Every time I go to Culver's, I always have to get fruit punch. It's so good and tasty. I could take it right now. I want it now. Take me. So anyways, hope you enjoyed today's video, and bye guys.
Dreams aren't meant to be